Oh yeah! Wow, I like it. I like it. I like it actually.
I gotta love.
Nababo kabalan, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank JOOS for sending us 3 of their products. From their name itself, they are producing these juices which are really healthy. And let me introduce them to you one by one. So first off is the Orange Burst. So this is at 300 ml bottles. Now the next flavor is called Red Bolt. This is dark bloody red juice. And then the next is this Green Bolt, which is para sa akin, it's more of a parang leafy, very nature. Actually, according to some of my readings, so the more colorful, natural ang isang juice, the more health beneficial nito at saka more vitamins and minerals. So, speaking of those benefits, so let me share to you isang post na nakita ko dito sa fan page nila. These are the wonders of juice. Number 1, it helps boosting your immunity. Of course, that's really important nowadays, no? Another wonder is it helps improve your digestion. So, for those who are, I think, constipated or nahihirapan sa, it also remove toxins from your body. So, the more, colorful, the more it helps flush toxins sa ating mga katawan. It also helps rehydrate your skin and for a more glowing skin. If you have like insomnia or you're having hard time sleeping, it also, this juice also helps you improve your sleeping pattern. It also fights stress. So, it helps stress. It refreshes your body. So that's also one way of, relieving stress. Ito yung pinaka highlight sa akin na benefit ng juice na to. It can help us to lose weight. Alright. Okay, next. It also helps our body to absorb nutrients. And then last 2 is it increases your energy levels. Energy. So you need energy to, do your work, move some stuff, go places, and think. We all need energy, so this helps us improve our energy. And then lastly, helps to clean our colon, which is really an important part of our body. Alright, so let's taste these juices. Going first for the Orange Burst. So I might be deceived with the name. It's color orange. It actually has, parang nalalasahan ko, mas pinaka-evident dito is yung carrots. Now, the next is itong Red Burst. The bloody dark red burst. That's just the description of the color. As soon as you open it, medyo maaamoy mo na yung flavor ng fruit. Let's taste it. Oh yeah! Beat it is. Wow, I like it. I like it actually. So next one is the Green Bolt. It's very greenish. Okay, now for this one, you can correct me if I'm wrong, no? So ito naman medyo lasa siyang ginger, cucumber. I think those are the 2 main ingredients of this juice. Ooh, wow! So refreshing. Let me add more information about this product that was sent to us by the owner. These are purely extracted from fruits and vegetables. No added sugar or water. So these are pure extracts from vegetable and fruits. Same day preparation. Upon the placement of our order, dun pa lang po nila gagawin yun. It's a perfect drink for individuals during the gym or your own personal workout. What they can do is they can supply you a 1-week drink for these juices. So just make sure to place your order properly. And then lastly, they assure us that it has no bitter taste that will, befriend our taste bud. Ibig sabihin, magugustuhan talaga ng taste buds natin. Now, if you are to ask me guys, which among the 3 am I gonna, choose? I think I'm gonna go for this one. Beet. Medyo sweet. Really, when you drink it, it's a bit earthy. Yung aroma niya, yung aroma niya. Alright guys, so if you like the food or if you like the products you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure you tag the person who you think really needs these kinds of refreshments who are really healthy and beneficial to our body. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, please stay safe and stay at home. I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.
Money gets you